Hello guys, today I've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and I'm going to show you how to set up the face recognition. To set up the face recognition, you need to at first open settings. Here, now you need to scroll down till you see security and privacy. Select Biometrics right here. Now open face recognition. Enter your password to your phone, and if you don't have any password, you'll be prompted to enter some screen lock. To of course make your phone private, because it's of course required. You can set up either the passcode, like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A password which are the numbers and some letters and some special marks, and of course the pattern. So tap face recognition, enter your screen password, and here hit continue. Now put your face into the frame, remember about the good lighting, and remember about everything. The distance should be around 20 centimeters. Oh, it's me, yeah. Kind of tired. And now we've got our face recognition done. Bye!